Hey, garden enthusiasts! Want a garden that thrives even in the scorching summer heat? Today, we're diving into the top 20 drought-tolerant perennials that shine in summer. These plants save water, reduce maintenance, and keep your garden stunning. Let's jump right in. First up, lavender. Known for its fragrant purple blooms, lavender thrives in full sun and dry conditions. Plus, it's a magnet for bees and butterflies. Next is sedum. This succulent-like plant loves hot, dry spots. Its fleshy leaves store water, making it super low maintenance with lovely pink, red, or yellow flowers. Sedum's unique texture adds a great visual contrast to your garden. Or coneflower brings bold, daisy-like flowers that attract butterflies and birds. It's a tough plant that handles drought like a champ. These vibrant flowers can brighten up any garden bed. Russian sage features tall, airy spires of lavender blue flowers and silvery foliage. Perfect for adding height and texture and incredibly drought tolerant. Dahlias come in various colors and thrive in almost any condition. Their trumpet-shaped flowers are a classic summer favorite, offering a long bloom period with minimal effort. Gaillardia, or blanket flower, offers fiery red and orange blooms that love the sun and dry soil. They're perfect for adding a splash of hot color to your summer garden. Yarrow has clusters of tiny flowers in yellow, pink, and white. It's drought-tolerant and deer-resistant. Plus, it has a long blooming period, making it a reliable garden staple. Catmint has soft gray-green leaves and lavender-blue flowers that attract bees and hummingbirds. It thrives in dry, sunny spots, and its aromatic foliage adds another sensory dimension to your garden. Agastache, or hummingbird mint, has spiky flowers in pink, purple, and orange that attract hummingbirds. Its tall spikes add vertical interest and a burst of color. Coreopsis, or tickseed, offers cheerful yellow flowers that bloom profusely throughout summer. They're hardy and versatile, making them great for borders and containers. Salvia has spikes of purple, blue, or pink flowers that attract pollinators and look stunning in any garden setting. It's a perfect perennial for creating a vibrant, lively garden space. Red hot poker features torch-like flowers in red, orange, and yellow that thrive in dry, sunny spots. They're sure to make a bold statement and become a focal point in your garden. Penstemon offers tubular flowers in a range of colors, perfect for attracting hummingbirds. These striking flowers add a lot of character to your garden. Hens and chicks form rosettes of fleshy leaves and survive harsh conditions, making them ideal for rock gardens and containers. They're low maintenance and fun to grow. Perovskia, or Russian sage, has airy, blue flowers and aromatic foliage, perfect for hot, dry climates. Its silver foliage contrasts beautifully with its flowers, adding elegance to your garden. Black-eyed Susan has bright yellow flowers with dark centers that are incredibly drought-tolerant. These cheerful flowers are great for attracting pollinators. Verbena offers clusters of small, bright flowers that bloom all summer long, perfect for dry, sunny spots. They're excellent for hanging baskets and borders alike. Lastly, Sedum Autumn Joy produces clusters of star-shaped flowers that turn from pink to coppery red as the season progresses. It's a must-have for any drought-tolerant garden. There you have it, the top 20 drought-tolerant perennials that will keep your garden amazing all summer long. Remember, with these resilient plants, you can enjoy a beautiful, low-maintenance garden even in the hottest weather. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!